In this tutorial, we'll show you how to recover your Safex address into the TWM wallet using your private keys. There are several reasons why you could end up needing to restore your wallet address. Maybe you forgot the password you used when you initially created your wallet, or maybe your computer crashed or the files got corrupted. Regardless of the reason, in the event you need to restore your wallet, first go and grab your backup details from whatever safe location you have them stored. It doesn't really matter whether you choose to restore from keys or seed, the end result is the same. A synced Safex wallet ready to stake tokens, send coins somewhere, or go shopping on Safex Market. Let's get started. Launch the TWM wallet by clicking on the desktop shortcut. Click the Get Started button, then select the Recover Wallet from Keys button. From your backup file, copy and paste your Safex address and both private keys into their respective fields. As I never plan to use this wallet in real life, I'm not hiding any of the backup details. For any real crypto wallet, you should never share the private keys or mnemonic seed with anybody. Click the Set Keys button. Now we select the file path and name the wallet. The file name doesn't really matter, so long as you can identify it as your Safex wallet. Click Save when done. Then click Continue, leave the daemon host details unchanged, set the connection and continue to confirm. Now set a strong but memorable password for the wallet. Click the Restore Wallet button and a pop-up will appear. It is imperative for proper wallet functioning that you click the OK button. Don't click the Cancel button. You need that TWM file created for message functioning in the wallet. And there we go. The wallet now needs to sync the blockchain to populate all previous transactions for your Safex address and eventually display your coin balances. This process can take up to an hour depending on your PC, internet speed and geographic location. So just be patient, go grab a snack and let it do its thing. Your balances will appear a few minutes after the sync process has completed. As this is an empty tutorial wallet address, there are no balances to appear. However, you've most likely got a bag of Safex cash, so head on over to Safex Market and browse the listings. You're sure to find something you like. That concludes this tutorial on recovering your Safex address from keys. Happy shopping on Safex Market.